My name is Rishikesh Jalindar Yadav and I will discuss the topic in features of Java. The Java is most important part is a feature. The primary object of Java programming language creation was to make it a portable, simple and secure programming language. Apart from this, there are also some excellent features which play an important role in the popularity of this language. The features of Java are also known as Java. The Java is a worldwide is news. First features is simple. Java is a very easy to learn and its syntax is simple, clean and easy to understand according to Sun Microsystem. A Java language and a simple programming language. The Java syntax is based on C++. Java has removed many complicated and rarely used feature, and for example explicit pointer operator overloading, etc. There is no need to remove unpressed object because is an automatic garbage collection in Java. And the second feature is object oriented. The object oriented is a Java is an object oriented programming language. Everything in a Java in an object oriented means we organize our software a combination of different type of object that incorporate both data and behavior. Object oriented programming languages OOPS is a methodology that simplifies software development and maintenance by providing some rules. Basic concept of OOPS: object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. And third feature is Java platform independent. Java is a platform independent because it is a different from the other language like C, C++, which are compiled into platform specific machine. While Java is a right one, run anywhere language. A platform is the hardware and software environment in which a program runs. Runtime environment and API application programming interface. And next feature is a secure. Java is a best known as for security. With a Java we can develop a virus free system. Java is secured because first no explicit pointer and Java program run inside a virtual machine sandbox. And fourth features in robust. In English meaning is a robust. Storage Java is a robust because it use strong memory management. There is a lack of pointer the avoid security problem. Java provide the execution handling and the type of checking machine in a Java. And fifth feature is architectural natural. Java is architecture natural because there are no implementation depends feature. For example, size of types fixed. And next feature is portable. The portable because it facility you to any the Java bytecode to any platform does not require. And next feature high performance. And next feature is distributed and multi-threaded dynamic. Any types of feature in Java is very popular. Thank you.